You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word from anatomy, Latin for slope. This is also a Latin word meaning slope, a part of the cranium, the skull. The English pronunciation is as clivus. Now in Latin it would be clivus or clivus, but in English it's normally pronounced as the clivus. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.